Hey everyone. So you might be wondering, what does a new life coach typically charge? Remember, this is totally up to you. There's no regulations in the life coaching world, so you can charge as little as you want or as much as you want, but I will just throw out some numbers there so you can, kind of know what's standard in the coaching industry, and then I'll share what I did in the beginning as a new life coach as well. So what I see new coaches typically charging is usually anywhere from around $50 to $100 for a 60-minute coaching session. And I always recommend don't just sell one coaching session, because it's really hard to help change someone's life and create new habits and momentum just through one 60-minute session. So I normally recommend charging or offering a 3-month package where you're working with the client every week for 60 minutes. So that would be 4 sessions a month, 12 sessions total. So if you do the math, let's say you're charging $100 per session, that would be $400 per month or $1,200 for a 3-month package. And as you can see, this can quickly start to add up. So if you have, let's say 5 clients, that's going to be over $5,000 per month. So you can make really good money as a life coach. And I really want this to happen for you. So with that being said, next steps is I would recommend signing up for a life coach training. So that way you get the proper support, the accountability, and the actual training on how to conduct a really amazing transformative life coaching session, and to know the types of questions to ask and how to help your clients create goals and move forward in their life. And my life coach training program is going to start October 4th. We have 9 spots left, and it is a 7-month online program. First 3 months is teaching you all the coaching skills that you need. Last 3 months is teaching all the business building, sales, and marketing skills to get your online life coaching business set up and to start bringing in paying clients and making money and helping to change people's lives. So it's going to be phenomenal. We'll also have an in-person retreat in Clearwater Beach, Florida, on January as well. So I so want you to be a part of this magic and this goodness. So make sure you click on the link below to read all the information, and then you can apply right there on the website. We'll have an interview together where I can answer all of your questions about the coach training program and make sure it's going to be a good fit based off of your coaching vision. And then after that, you'll get an invitation from me to join the fall class. And we get to celebrate together because you're making a really big decision for your future, for your family, for your personal health and wellness. And it's going to be incredible. 2021 is going to be the most amazing year of your life. So say yes to becoming a certified coach. Join my coach training so I can help you to make money, find paying clients, and to help change others' lives. So just click on that link below to apply, and I will see you soon. Bye, coach.